Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, from me start the video, me start to smile. I don't know why, but anyhow, let's get straight into this video and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, why am I smiling? yes, because all of this here guys, it's super healthy. All right, it's gonna build your immune system and it's gonna calm your nerves. All right, so when me say calm your nerves, all of the man them pull up a chair. All right, so guys, notice the consistency. Aloe vera, full of lot of slime and lots of oomph. Irish moss have lots of thickness in it. Molasses, thick, strong, and it's gonna calm your nerves. Okay guys, a little bit of nutmeg and cinnamon, add a little bit of flavor to it. I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut water and I'm gonna blend it up with some almond milk. Ladies, you can stay too. All right, this is good for you too. All right, it's gonna clean and build your body, but I'm just talking about the man them because this gonna give them the gumption, the body work, the bodybuilder, long hours of work, satisfaction galore, and it's gonna calm your nerves. All right guys, now I'm gonna add a little cut of aloe vera, a big tablespoon of Irish moss. There you have it. I'm gonna add 1 finger of ripe banana, and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of this molasses. Take long to come out. You see what me I talk about, guys? You see it? There it is. Now I'm gonna put about ½ cup of coconut water. I'm putting the pulp and all because I'm gonna blend it. All right, and now I'm gonna add ½ cup of this almond milk. That's good. I'm gonna put a pinch of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg. You can put 1/4 teaspoon if it's not too much for you, but that's a pinch. And the final thing, I'm gonna add some ice. And that's it guys. Jamaican people say coconut water reach your heart, so yes sir. Now we're gonna blend. Look at that goodness. Woo, yes. All right guys, we're gonna pour some in. Men, it's gonna build your body. No more complaining from women. You hear that guys? Believe me, trust me upon this. I should know. All right, no more complaining from no ladies around here. I'm telling you this. Long hours, satisfaction guarantee. All right men, good for ladies too. Give you lots of energy. All right, all men, come over my channel. I have the remedy for you. And even though you're strong and healthy, this also helps to maintain and build on that goodness you have going. All right guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for awesome content. Natural healthy smoothie. All right, put back all the oomps, vitality, stamina. Yes, all day long, 24-hour, 44/8. All the man them who are work on the construction site and work for the city, driving them big bus and them big truck, drink a glass before you go to work. All right, yes. I know said at home this gonna work wonders. All right guys, have a wonderful day. Oh my god.